need to say that.
What? I'm confused.
Of course you are. I said that video was a waste. I don't think there will be anything in there of worth that we said. But of course, everything you say is of worth, Angelica. Meaning that everything that you say is...
I understood.
Thank you, Jesus. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia, queridos. Bom dia. Bom dia, everyone.
Good morning, pessoal.
Super cold last night and it's super cold today.
Yeah, super freezing.
The puppy dogs. Who's the puppy dogs? Who's the puppy dogs? She's the good girls. She's the good girls. She's the good girls. Yes, you are. Yes, you are good girls. Another rainy morning.
The grand day arrived and we're finally going to see Yellowstone.
We might even take karate classes over there. We're going to Yellowstone.
Yes, vamos passear at Yellowstone. You know, Mãe always wanted to go to Yellowstone.
I've always wanted to go to Yellowstone too.
Papai always wanted to go to Yellowstone too.
Now you guys get to go to Yellowstone.
Yeah, you guys have no idea, but it's beautiful there.
We think.
Huh?
We think.
Well, we saw in pictures. Unless it's a Photoshop. You know, I really love talking to Sheila. She listens to me all the time. You should do the same.
Hello.
Yellowstone.
Thank you. We just got that
Great.
yesterday.
Like a map?
Yeah, actually, that'd be awesome. That works. Thank you.
Hey. Oh, cool. We got our card.
That's my card from yesterday.
Oh, did they give it to you? I
he
didn't
gave
see.
me yesterday.
Oh, close the window, please.
We got our map.
Yellowstone.
We are at Yellowstone.
Yay!
We're at Yellowstone. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I never would have thought I'd be here. Like, I seriously didn't know how I'd ever get here. Ever. We are at Yellowstone. Oh my gosh. Our first stop though is absolutely a visitor center because we have no service. We have not had service for over 24 hours.
Yes, my mom thought that I was dead.
Driving on a volcano right now.
Oh, wow.
What? What'd you say?
That's a deep, like, waterfall, like a river, like downstairs.
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Down to the hill. I didn't expect that Yellowstone would be like that huge. That almost would take us 3 days to drive all around and see everything.
Yeah, it was crazy. We came in from the lower entrance down here, and then I said we're driving on a volcano right now, right about there where this gigantic circle for the caldera goes around, and the rapids on the river was Lewis River down here. We're headed up to the visitor center next. Oh my God. Oh.
Do you want the neck pillow?
I don't think that's gonna help the pain.
Well, maybe you can rest it like your head in some ways and instead of holding. You wanna try?
I'll try. My hair is like super up right now.
Well, try it in a way that you can rest your head.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted it on my neck. After countless hours of driving, my neck is absolutely killing me.
See, I was just trying to help. If you did it the way that I was telling you, maybe your neck would be better.
Oh, I had to do it my way. That's the way it was gonna work. Let me show you.
Look at your face. I told you my way would work way better.
Yeah, this pillow is just not gonna work.
You were so funny.
Yellowstone National Park is a supervolcano that last erupted about 631,000 years ago. In March 1st, 1872, it became the first national park that had geysers and hydrothermal activity for the public to see. Not really, you can't see shit.
Well, if we get out of the car, that's the thing. Well, we can try next one if you are okay with that.
Yeah, I'm okay with going on to the next one. I'm letting cars go by me, especially. Getting reversed, damn it. We kept trying all the pull-offs to see if we could get a good shot from the RV, but nothing was really working. And the freaking pillow's not working either.
I told you.
Nothing else coming. Do it up here. And away we go.
What are you doing, Shayla?
And another pull-off.
It's been really difficult to see things outside because it was snowing and super cold. And another tip is bringing animals. It's kind of hard because they don't allow the animals in that area.
It was a cold, cold night. Started with the firelight. Voices in the air would give you quite the scare. Drums driving the movement of the shadows under the moon. The full moon's out to give the lunatics a boom. Creep and crawl through the trees like some kind of beast. Try to sneak a peek at a hidden belief. They got fire in their eyes and they dance berserk. And they sing the song of the curse.
We got to Old Faithful. We actually saw it going off right when we pulled up. So we decided to hang out in the RV. We let the dogs go to the bathroom. And then we ate some lunch, and then we decided to take a walk around and go look at some of the other features around the area. We're walking around, checking out the Old Faithful area, and we turned and saw another geyser going off in the distance. Now, geysers are technically just vents in the earth that periodically erupt with hot steaming water after enough pressure builds up to send them shooting into the air.
Taking a sip. Now we're bound to the cold, cold ground. It freezes as the snow falls down. Wanna light up a cigarette, but you find that the lighter's too cold to flick. Try to stay calm as the world is drowned by wickeds and wild ones.
Okay, this one is really, really hot. And we can see that. Can you see how blue, or it's blue inside?
It's like a grayish blue. There's another one here. Even more. There are a lot of little hot springs around the area as well, and these are really close to where we were walking around.
Nice.
People meanwhile being stupid and throwing coins in their wishing wells. These aren't wishing wells.
I was thinking about, throwing pasta. It's already boiling. Well, I'm sorry, I'm pregnant. And I'm always hungry.
Yeah, I get that. I don't think that's gonna work though. It probably tastes a little bit like sulfur, maybe. Either way, we walked up the way a little bit back to Old Faithful, and we actually caught it right when it was about to go off in 3, 2, 1.
How that view looks over there. See the actual spout.
We got blasted by steam, so we did take a walk over to the other side to check it out.
Looking at the world through somebody else's eyes, staring to the sky, see the shapes all change to my surprise. Climb the hill that takes you where you want to go. Climb the mountain, see the view you've heard about, fall down below.
Next stop, Midway Geyser Basin. This is Excelsior Geyser. It's the world's largest geyser. It is super blue, super windy, and super cold up here, but this was absolutely gorgeous. It's exactly what I'm saying. Super cold, super windy, and super blue.
Bound to the cold, cold ground, it freezes as the snow falls down. Wanna light up a cigarette, but you find that the light is too cold to flick. Try to stay calm as the world is drowned by wickets and wild ones. Now we're bound to the cold, cold ground, it freezes as the snow falls down.
So cold.
This is Grand Prismatic, the world's largest hot spring. People will sit here with cameras for hours waiting for the perfect picture once the steam clears. This was the warmest part of the trip today.
It was so good. I could stay here forever.
My glasses were getting so fogged up, it was crazy. I have a really tight schedule and I want to get us to Denver, so it's time to leave Yellowstone. I found us a boondocking site that I was going to check out. It's a little rainy and cold tonight. You didn't really want to go to the site, but I said, we're going to check this out. I felt really proud of myself. I found it on a forum. I went to the longitude latitude site and I found exactly where it was, looked on Google Satellite, and now we're going to go check out that spot and camp out tonight.
It's up to you, what you gonna do. Human interaction, internet connection is up to you. Can you feel the groove? Better start walking in the right direction. It's up to you, what you gonna do. Human interaction, internet connection is up to you. Can you feel the groove? Better start walking in the right direction.
I went that way. I really wish we could find a spot out here. I mean, there's a spot. We'll find it.
How are you feeling driving this?
I am okay. I feel like sometimes I forget that it's as big as it is. That's the problem. But other than that, this is not bad. This thing's designed not to do this, but it can handle it.
Are you afraid, Shayla?
That was not what I expected.
No, there's no way I could spend the night in there.
That was really, really sketchy. We ended up driving out of there and I just trucked it down to Rawlins, Wyoming. We got to Rawlins, a Walmart, at about 1 o'clock in the morning and spent the night at another Walmart parking lot instead on our way to Denver tomorrow.
Yeah, it was way better than that sketchy place.
Yeah, that was crazy. Well, it was great, guys, and we will see you next week for another episode.
Yeah, ciao.
Bye.